To improve the Semrush dashboard, start by understanding its core features and how they can be customized to suit your needs. The Semrush dashboard is a powerful tool that provides insights into your website's performance, including its visibility, technical health, and content quality. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your website's performance, including its position tracking, organic search insights, and technical SEO audit. To improve the dashboard, begin by setting up your position tracking campaign. This involves selecting your target keywords, competitors, and geographic location. Next, customize your dashboard by adding or removing widgets. Widgets provide a visual representation of your data, making it easier to analyze and understand. You can choose from a variety of widgets, including keyword rankings, competitor analysis, and technical SEO issues. Another way to improve the Semrush dashboard is by integrating it with other tools, such as Google Analytics and Google Search Console. This integration provides a more comprehensive view of your website's performance and helps you make data-driven decisions. To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, it is essential to set up alerts and notifications. These alerts notify you of any changes in your website's performance, such as a drop in rankings or an increase in technical SEO issues. By setting up alerts, you can quickly identify and fix issues before they negatively impact your website's performance. Best practices for improving the Semrush dashboard include regularly reviewing and updating your position tracking campaign, monitoring your technical SEO issues, and analyzing your competitors' performance. By following these best practices, you can optimize your Semrush dashboard to provide actionable insights that drive your digital marketing strategy. In conclusion, improving the Semrush dashboard requires understanding its core features, customizing its widgets, integrating it with other tools, setting up alerts and notifications, and following best practices. By taking these steps, you can unlock the full potential of the Semrush dashboard and gain valuable insights into your website's performance.